Sourcing and mobilising hundreds of workers at a time for jobs such as maintenance contracts, shutdowns and projects is a massive undertaking and responsibility. Ensuring that every worker deployed to site is trained and competent is not only time-consuming, but also opens businesses up to significant risk exposure. MyPass is a single system of record where employees are empowered to own, manage, and share their verified competency information with an employer.
So MyPass set out to solve those inefficiencies with workforce training and compliance management in providing a digital worker passport where the workers' competencies, licenses and tickets are stored and are easy to manage in real time.
A worker first applying for a position to them being accepted and then getting them onto site, that can take over 100 steps. Now using MyPass can reduce this by as much as 70%. So from the point of view of the employer, the main thing that MyPass does offer is the ability to get up-to-date real-time information on what a worker's certifications and credentials are.
While the worker uploads their certifications and qualifications, MyPass will send the worker a notification when the certificate is due to expire, 90 days, 30 days, and on the day that it is actually expired. The worker is always notified and they are proactive in getting their certificates updated.
Employers can access their real-time dashboards to identify skill requirements for tasks, match workers to available jobs, and track ongoing skills development.
MyPass is designed to streamline and connect the entire supply chain, leading to a reduction in costs by up to 70%, having surety that the workers that are going to site are fully qualified and competent to be doing the jobs that they're supposed to be doing, as well as saving money and time for the industry.